I am in the office. I remembered the tripod, but I forgot the phone mount, so I can't use it. Oh well, I should stock up on phone mounts and just shove them in my backpacks and such. So this is what I do when I need to relax. I paint. And for me, this is just relaxing. And it's already there, so all I have to do is color in the sections. Here's my collection of pens. I like the ink gel pens. So, yeah, this is what I do in my spare time. When I get spare time, or I just need to chill out for a little while. And today, I need to chill out for a little while. I particularly like to do pets, animals, although dogs are pets. I like to do the eyes first. Once I do the eyes, then the whole picture pops for me, and it makes it easier for me to determine what to do next. And here comes somebody. Okay, and I have a tendency to work towards darker colors. That's the tongue, the eyes, the eyebrows. So I'm going to implement a little bit of a brighter color into here. And I'm very careful to stay within the lines. Learned that as a kid in coloring books. It's an adult coloring book. No, not that kind of adult. So, yeah, this is what I like to do when I just need to mentally chill out for a while. And today, it's rainy. It's kind of a slow day. So I'm going to work on this for a little bit. And then get some real work done. And when I get home, I'll show you some of my other pieces that I've done. I also like to do pieces that have a lot of detail in them. It just brings out more artistic powers for me. My neighbor, she did coloring things, and she was the one that kind of told me about this, and I thought it was the dumbest, silliest thing I'd ever heard. And then I picked up, got the gel pens, picked up a coloring book and started, and I was like, wow, I really like this. It really does relax you. So, and two of my neighbors were doing this, and they do not like the heavy detailed photos that I like to do. So, but then again, it's all about your creativity and what your realm of creativity is. Okay, I'm out of work now, at home, and I'm still working on my little Frenchie, little French bulldog. And the little French bulldog is finished. Here is a lion that I did some time back. Like I said, I like doing animals. I like to do their eyes first, and that captures the photo for me, or the image rather. Here's my bobcat. Here's my Airedale. Here's a kitty cat. Another one of my favorites, the tiger. And if you look at his eyes, you can see the detail. Makes the picture pop more. my chihuahua, which my neighbor gave me a hard time over because I did not color in the roses. I wanted them to be white roses with red edges. And I like it this way better. And I didn't color in the leaves either. Again, same type. I like it the way it is. The Siamese cat. Wicked, huh? And lastly, a floral image that I did the other day. So I just started picking this back up. I did this before I took this job, mostly out of boredom, but now I do it for therapy. And I have this cool little thing that I put it on that I bought at a resale shop. But you can get like these at Michael's and stuff. Places like that, craft places. Pretty cool. And tomorrow when Mr. Frenchie is all dried and cured, I will add him to my collection. Cool. And that annoying buzzing you're hearing in the background is my Dish Network TV box. Man, that thing makes so much noise. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this little video. Talk to y'all later and live the life you love. Bye. See ya later.